Hiya guys, how's it going? Um, an update on the course. They finally turned the alarm off. They turned it off last night around about half eight, 9 o'clock last night. Um, yesterday morning, no, yesterday afternoon, sorry, I reported it again because the alarm was going off, still going off. So I phoned I didn't phone the police this time. I phoned the seller who was selling it, um, or the brewery where we got the pub now. Explained to them what's going on. Yeah, explained the alarm was going off. They knew about it and they said they're going to send around when they can. So lucky enough they did. Yeah. Called one of one of my friends who got to the local pub, the club, the Lindsay. She told me that it was 4 police vans, about two or four police vans. I said across last night. So I didn't see what was going on. So probably I know I'm broken, or or they just do it, or they just came just to make sure there's no one in there. So yeah. Yeah, like that cross, right? It was a good old pub. You've seen a couple of videos I done before, with a good night out up across, playing foot machines in the cross, good old times. Good old, all the guy. It was a good old times. Another thing as well, before I was born, my mother and my father got married. They got married in the church and had a reception in the pub, or they got married in the pub. I was in the 50s, I was. Back then, it was a lot different back then. The door, before right, you can go through that door over there. That's a step is beer. So I blocked that off to put a door on the side. Yeah, see? Uh, yeah, I do miss that pub. I hope when someone buys it, yeah. I'm hoping, I hope someone buys it and open back up. Cause honestly God, I do miss going to that pub. When the old owners had it, back years ago, I've been everywhere in the pub. I've been the cellar, I've been the flats, I've been, I've been every single place in that pub. Yeah, and yeah, that's it for the course. I just gave you a bit of an update, and that's all. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Click on the notification bell button below so you get notifications every time I post new footage up. Thanks for watching, take care, and goodbye.